To turn the Healthy Wave high intensity controller on, start by pushing the I/O button in the down position. If it is not in the down position, you will see it elevated like this. Once you ensure it is in the down position, you can click the power button in the top right-hand corner and you'll see the blue light come on. Keep in mind, if you click it too quickly, it may not register. Once the controller is on, you can operate any of the therapies independently or use our quick start modes. To use the infrared heat, start by pushing the temp button. We click it once to turn it on. You can click it a second time to adjust the temperature you want. And then when you have your desired temperature, click it a third time to lock it in. You'll notice shortly the temperature is going to change, and this is what the actual ambient temperature of the mat is versus what we have it set to, and over time the temperature will go up to what we have it set. Next, if we want to change how long the infrared heat will be on, we click the timer button. We can now see the numbers flashing, and we can change it to our desired amount of time and click it again to lock in that time. Next, for the PMF, this will run in a 20-minute cycle on and then a 100-minute cycle off. We click it once to turn it on, we can click it twice, and we can adjust the frequency we want. Click it a third time to lock it in. And if you do want to reset this after the 20 minutes to get another PMF cycle immediately, you can click it a fourth time and it'll turn the PMF off, and then you can turn it on again to restart the 20-minute cycle. The photon lights, you can turn them on and off by clicking them on or clicking them off. And then any of the 4 quick start modes here, just click them once and it'll turn it on for the temperature with an appropriate time, a PMF setting, and the photon lights if applicable. And that's how to use the Healthy Wave high intensity controller.